Eighth property is, if you take n plus 1 whole square minus n square, between the two consecutive numbers and their square, there are always 2n non-perfect square number. You all know this. This we have already discussed. I think property number 5 or 6 it was. And if you take the numbers, if you take the difference of these two numbers, then you will have this as answer 2n plus 1. Why I have written 2n plus 1 beta? आपने देखा कि n square और n plus 1 के square के बीच में 2n नंबर आते हैं, लेकिन ये 2n नंबर तब आते हैं जब आप इन दोनों को एक्सक्लूड कर देते हो और इन दोनों के बीच में ये नंबर आते हैं. बट व्हेन यू डिस्कस दिस प्रॉपर्टी, इफ यू टेक द डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस, मींस आप इसको रिमूव कर रहे हो बट यू आर काउंटिंग दिस. तो पहले इसके बीच में कितने नंबर आ रहे थे? 2n. अब आप इसमें से इसे माइनस कर रहे हो, मींस यू आर एक्सक्लूडिंग दिस. You are excluding this, but you are including this. So 1 will be there for this. So you will add 1 to this 2n. So between the difference of these two numbers, there are always 2n plus 1 number if you take the difference. I have written two consecutive numbers, 13 square minus 12 square. So your n is 12. So you will put 12 here plus 1. 12 2s are 24 plus 1. 25 numbers, means the difference of this must be 25. And if you want to check it out by actual calculation, you can check 13 square is 169, 12 square is 144, and the difference is 25. Here we have used actual calculation, and in this we have used the formula, and the answer is same. So that means we are following the correct method. We have formed the correct formula. In the book on page number 95, two patterns are given to you. You will read out that pattern. I am explaining it. I am just giving you rough view. If I write 1 square, answer is 1. If I write 11 square, answer is 1 to 1. If I write triple 1 square, here single digit is repeating, तो 1 तक आपने counting लिखनी है. 2 डिजिट रिपीट हो रही है तो आपने 2 तक काउंटिंग लिखनी है. 3 डिजिट रिपीट हो रही है तो आपने 3 तक काउंटिंग लिखनी है. देन यू विल रिड्यूस. 1 2 लिखा, रिड्यूस कर दिया. 1 2 3 लिखा, 3 के बाद क्या आएगा? 2 1. पहले ऊपर जाना है काउंटिंग में, फिर नीचे आना है. इफ आई राइट 4 times 1, आंसर इज 4. 4 नंबर है ना यहाँ, तो 1 2 3 4. देन यू विल स्टार्ट रिड्यूसिंग. 3 2 1. Is it clear, beta? Is it clear? Now, beta, in this, numbers are given to you. You have to tell me the last digit of their square. If you will make the square of 81, what will be the unit digit of the answer? Yes, I am unmuting you all. You will all answer me one by one. I will take the name, then only you will answer me. Got it? I am giving you option that you can unmute yourself. Beta, I have allowed the option. You please unmute yourself and answer one by one. Yes, Sanvi Sharma. Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes. First.
Good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, unit digit will be 1.
Yes, very good, beta. Next, Sami.
As ma'am, we have used the property if the unit place there is 1 and 9, so digit will be 1.
Very good, beta. Very good. That means you are very much attentive in the class. Yes. Next name, whose name I have taken? I forgot. Ishan. Ishan, unmute yourself. Adish. Madhav. Kavish. Navya. Tanmay. Abhishek. Samir. Yes, Samir. Okay, no one is there. 3-4 students are already there. They have raised their hands. What about the other students? Yes, Abhishek. Yes, Akul.
Ma'am, yes, the unit place of the square of 272 will be 4.
Okay. Yes, 2 square is 4. So the unit place will be 4. Unit digit of this square number will be 4. Yes, Madhav, Ishan.
Ma'am, 7991 unit place is 1.
Yes, beta, who is this? Name yourself.
Ma'am, Shabd.
Okay, very good, beta. Gurdeep, Simarpreet, or hurry up. Yes, Samiksha.
Ma'am, may I speak the answer?
And at unit place, it will be 9.
Yes, unit digit of this number, when you make the square of this, it will be 9. Last digit is 9, the square of it is 1. This is 2, square of this will be last digit of, but you will not write the answer in this manner. You will write the square of this number will end with digit 4. The square of this number will end with digit 1. The square of this number will end with digit, yes, Harman? Answer of the next part is, jaldi bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Anji,
Ma'am, the 6
yes. Which
unit digit will be. Ma'am, please repeat.
Which property you have used here?
Ma'am, the when there is a unit digit 4, then the
When the unit digit is 4 or 6, the its square will end with digit 6. If the
Yes.
last digit of the number is 4 or 6, then the square will end with digit 6. Like 7 is there, then the square will end with 9. Square is there, 8 square is 64, so the last digit is 4. 0 is there, so when you make the square, there will be 2 zeros at the end. It will last with 0. Okay, so you will write the square of this number will end with 0. The square of this number will end with 6. Or there is
6.
last 6. 5 is there, so when
5.
you unit digit 5. Yes, yes.
5.
5 will be there. Now the next is question number 2. In the question number 2, you have to check whether the following numbers are perfect square or not. So I'm writing the numbers. So you all know the property. If the number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then surely they are not perfect square. So question number 2, 1057. Next is 23453, 7928, 22. Next is 64,000. Here 89722, 222 and the next one is 505050. So you have to tell me the suitable reason why they are perfect square and why they are not. So I will ask answer from the students. Adish, yes. Whether this first number is a perfect square? Adish, Ishan, Madhav, Taranya, Anjani.
Ma'am, no.
Why, beta? Tell me the reason.
Ma'am, because it.
At the last.
If the number is, yes, Anjani, can you answer this question? Why this is not a perfect square?
Because 7 is at the unit place, and it is the first property in which if the 7 is at the unit place, that is, it's not a perfect square number.
Yes, if you will write here, if the number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it is not a perfect square. So you will write here, this number is ending with 7, it is not a perfect square. Yes, next. Anjani has given answer. Next, Gautam Veer, Diya, Gurdit, Nidhi, Navya, Ishan, yes. Ishan, give me the answer of this question. Is it a perfect square?
Ma'am, no.
Why?
Because it is ending with 3.
3. So same property you will write here. If the number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8, it will never be a perfect square. Yes, Prabsharan Jyot.
Yes, ma'am.
Speak loudly, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this number
मैम इस पे नो मैम बिकॉज इस पे जो फर्स्ट हमारी प्रॉपर्टी लगी थी कि द नंबर विच इज हैविंग 2 3 7 8 उसके पीछे होगा तो वो नहीं होगा परफेक्ट
okay, okay.
स्क्वायर में.
This is Prabsharan Jyot. Yes, Sanvi. Sanvi. Tell me the next question. Is this a perfect square? Again, this number is ending with 2. It is never be a perfect square. The next number is 4,000.
So it is not a
Next, bolo beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Is 64,000 a perfect square?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, beta? Why it is a perfect square? Bolo. I think I have to answer all the questions. Many students are sleeping in the class. Yes, Janvi? Yes, I want quick response. Yes, beta. Is 64,000
Yes.
a perfect square number?
Yes.
No, it is not a perfect square number because it is ending with odd number of zeros. It is not a perfect square number because it is ending with odd number of zeros. Got it? And here in the next number, it is ending with 2. It is not a perfect square again by the same property. In the next part also, it is having odd number of zeros. It is not a perfect square. In this also, the last number is having odd number of 0. It is not a perfect square number. Now the next question is question number 3. Few questions are given, few parts are there and you have to answer. The square of which of the following would be odd? You all know that square of the odd number is odd and square of the even number is even. So you please check it out. If the number itself is odd, there its square must be odd. If the number is even, its square must be even. So fourth question and fifth question is again from the pattern form that you will do at your own. Have you done the homework, beta? Have you seen the yesterday's homework? I have given you that the sum of the first odd numbers is always 10. If 7 odd numbers are there, then the sum is 7 square. If 8 odd numbers are there, the sum is 8 square. If 9 odd numbers are there continuously, then the sum is 8 square. And the name of the property, the statement of the property is this, that the sum of the first n odd numbers is n square. Is it so? Is this clear? So, 7th question I have given you for the homework, but I am discussing once again so that you will not remain any doubt. The question is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So how many odd numbers I have written? 5. So answer is 5 square, that is 25. You can add them. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21 plus 4, 25. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So answer will be 10 square, that is 100. Any doubt? So which property we have used, beta? The sum of consecutive odd number starting from 1 is n square. Any doubt? Any doubt, beta? Now the next is question number 8. Question number 8 is express 49 as a sum of odd numbers. Yes, you all know that the 49 can be written as 7 square. So you will write first 7 odd numbers. So what you will do? You will write first 7 odd numbers. Is it clear, beta? So you can check it out by adding them, that you are getting 49 as answer. Next one is your 121. This is your A part. B part is 121. And 121 is 11 square. So you will write 11 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, 11, 13, 15. Got it, beta? Which property we have used? Yes, anybody who can repeat the property that I have just told you? We have discussed the property in the yesterday class, but I have repeated the property 2 times. Anybody who can repeat the property for me? Between the square of 12 and 13, how many numbers lie between? How many numbers lie between the square of 12 and 13? Between 12 square and 13 square, how many numbers lie between them? So there are always 2n numbers. You can say natural number, you can say, or you can say non-perfect square number. So there are 2n. 2n का मतलब क्या है? What does 2n here means? 2 into 12, 24 numbers between 12 square and 13 square. You will write in this manner. What we are doing, beta? We are finding the square of a number without actual multiplication. Means you will not multiply actually with 39 and 39. You will use some different pattern. You will use some different method to find the square of this number. Can I write 39 as 30 plus 9 whole square? Can I break up 39 as 30 plus 9? I have written square. What does square here mean? You will multiply 30 plus 9 and 30 plus 9 2 times. Is it clear, beta? How you will solve this bracket? You will multiply 30 with this complete bracket, then plus 9 with the second bracket again. What I have done, beta? I have used distributive property. This is known as distributive property. I have opened the first bracket and I have multiplied 30 with the complete bracket, then 9 with the complete bracket. I have not multiplied till this step. I have just written. Now I will start multiplying. So when you multiply this, 3 3s are 9, 0, 0. When you multiply this, 9 3s are 27 with 1 0. When you multiply this, 9 7s are 23 with 1 0. 9 9s are 81. Any doubt, beta? Here, please add all the terms and tell me the answer. Yes, what will be the answer for this? Who will tell me the answer? 1521. After adding, you will get this answer. This is the square of 39.
Then 80 plus 6 in the bracket. And 80 plus 6 again in the bracket.
Yes, very good, beta.
Then 80.
Yes.
And in the bracket, 80 plus 6.
Yes.
Then 6.
Plus 6.
And
plus 6.
Plus 6. And in the bracket, 80 plus 6.
Yes. Next step is?
Next step is then I will 80 plus 6.
No, beta. 80 into 80, 6400. 80 into 6, 480. Plus 6 into 80, 480. Plus 6 into 6, 36. Is it okay, Turanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't add them. अगर add ही करना था तो break क्यों किया था फिर? है ना, break क्यों किया था फिर अगर add ही करना था तो? You will multiply them in the same order. Then you will add them. Can you tell me the answer? 16 plus 3, 19. 8,
7396.
7396 is the answer.
96.
Square of this 86.